Hello, good morning, everybody, friends. Today I am saying for you, our health minister is not a good person. Yesterday was she proved obviously. By the way, medical college, Kozhikode Medical College incident, in that incident, four people killed. And then meet the press when speak that time that not respect that dead bodies. She is not humanity and benevolent. This attitude they are expressed multiple times. For example, Asha workers burning struggle that time informed health minister, informed medias and channels. I am going to the Delhi meet the central minister, discuss the Asha workers struggle. And then she went to the Delhi, received the Kuwait medical team, unnecessary discuss that person. Chief Health Minister returned to the Trivandrum airport. That time, media and channels questioned is to central minister meet the discuss the Asha workers' problems. She said, I central minister is very busy, so I couldn't meet them. Not doesn't matter. I will go to Delhi again. That time discussed the problem. This problem solved this in Kerala Asha workers. This, in my opinion, this person is a very bad person, not efficiency and proficiency. So, very proficiency and efficiency appointed another person like Srimati teacher. Not proficiency. How about that? Our chief minister is a very crookedness and hypothetical, brutalist, honestly. Altogether, ministers destroyed the